Creating a unique and consistent style in Midjourney was a bit tricky, but not anymore. A thrilling update revolutionized the consistent styles in Midjourney V6, a feature set to redefine our creative perspectives. You do not need to remember to write any particular style anymore. Without further ado, let's figure out what type of impressive results it can produce that will leave you in awe. This feature is a game changer, and I'm here to tell you the most efficient and easiest way to use it. So make sure you follow this tutorial till the end. Let's kick things off with a hands-on example to illustrate the magic of consistent style. Consistent style operates on a simple yet profound algorithm. Using a reference image allows Midjourney to adopt certain aesthetics across all generated images. Unsplash is one of the best platforms to find spectacular and highly vibrant backgrounds for free. I uploaded the image to Discord by clicking the plus button next to the prompt box, selecting Upload File, and choosing an image from my computer. You can use any of the images from anywhere like I used from Unsplash. Watch till the end as you will witness the latest parameter Midjourney V6 introduced to blend one character into another, just like you are watching images on your screen. I am writing a bulk prompt for getting results for a Pikachu, a wolf, and a lion. Close them into the curly braces, and embedded a new style reference image parameter followed by a space. Then dragged your chosen image into the prompt box, ensuring a space separates the parameter and the image link. Bulk action confirmation appears, and you can see and edit your prompt as well. Results are prepared to be mesmerized. The transformation is nothing short of magical vibes. Lion's art is incredibly well structured, especially first and second. Wolf somehow is not inspiring in this style. However, Pikachu is mirroring the chosen style flawlessly with so much perfection. This innovation simplifies the process, eliminating the need for style tuning or remixing. Just provide a style reference and watch as any subject morphs into the desired aesthetic. There are still 2 new features and tips ahead, so stay with us and learn how to blend 2 styles and make a perfect one. If you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Your like is invaluable for our channel. The latest image weight parameter offers gradual control over the influence of the style. To navigate the spectrum of possibilities, look at this example where I generated results about a mid-shot of an Iron Man with a scale. Ranging from default 100 to discovering the default setting often provides a harmonious balance. Yet, the true joy lies in the exploration of 500, which turns out to be spectacular and reached its maximum of 1000 with more enhanced results. However, 0 has ignored it altogether. That is not all. Next, you will learn how to convert your generation into a particular anime style in the easiest way. So keep watching this. Further, I use this image as guidance on crafting prompts, including whether to focus solely on the subject or to enrich it with context. For instance, I have used the same image here but specifying Simpson cartoon look. It enhances the consistency and artistic coherence. While not necessary to describe the reference in the prompt, additional context to the image can significantly enhance the outcome. Moreover, experimenting with style references alongside the stylized value from 100, 200, to 300, and combining with style raw parameters, unveils extraordinary and captivating results. Isn't that amazing? That has never been easy before Midjourney V6, as it encourages boldness in utilizing this feature for creative exploration. You may be thinking of why we do need style references if we have image references in Midjourney already. Soon, I will publish a comparison tutorial that will enlighten over the difference between these two, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get a notification. Lastly, the capability to draw spectacular results with style references opens up a new universe of artistic possibilities. Write your prompt, then style reference parameter, space, and paste first image link. Again, space and place second image link. Then hit enter. By incorporating multiple images into your prompt, you can forge unique and blended aesthetics, offering a rich shade of inspiration for your creations. These generations are heavily influenced by both of the images. We can even increase the influence of one particular image over another by giving a style weight parameter by adding style weight parameter at the end of the image with a double colon. Here, I first applied style weight to the first image with 2 and 4 value. Similarly did for others as well. You can feel the clear difference between both of them. This advanced technique further exemplifies the versatile and innovative potential of consistent style in Midjourney. You can easily compare both of the results as each of them has shifted complete focus on respective image style that has increased weight value.